Your name?
My name is Aidan Fernandez and this is my team. Uh, his name is Yash Shaw and his name is Alistair Fernandez. So basically, I come from Naveli.
Institute or
Uh,
your group name?
our group name is Aerovision and this is our project name is Sky Eye.
To some institution or?
We come from an institution, Goa only. It's a Padre Costa College of Engineering.
So how you come to know about INEX?
To our college only, they have directed us to one of my teachers. They have told us to go for the participate in the project competition.
So what is your project?
Our project is a human detection drone in the hazardous areas. It's basically where it's too risky for humans to go. We can send our drones automatic. The drone will fly automatically and scan the area and detect humans. It is also powered by AI human detection. You can see over here where the humans are detected. This is the camera where the live footage is telecasted on this laptop.
So why this actually useful? How this idea came into your mind?
Idea came where the drone technology itself is upcoming in India and it's like very rapidly growing. So instead of manual labor like to go and search rescue, it takes a lot of time. We thought like in drone like it can be very really fast for the drone to search and come back, and it's also like it's a live telecast of the whole thing where you can see directly what's happening in that area. This is we have made actually two drones. This one is this drone is actually a flight controller in this drone is you can buy it online. That one is an autonomous drone. Autonomous drone in a sense that you can send the coordinates direct to laptop. You don't need a transmitter and receiver. For this drone you need a transmitter and receiver. For that you don't need a transmitter. There you just need a laptop where you can send the coordinates to and the drone will automatically fly. It doesn't need a human interference and all. So that's the specialty of that drone.
So so in case anyone wants to purchase this product, so what will be the cost, including your camera, sensing camera?
Approximately around 20k, almost 20k, approximately 20k.
Approximately 20k.
Yeah,
So
it can range higher depending on depending on the user. If he needs additional functionality and all, then we can increase the price, we can increase the functionality, and we can give them. It's completely customizable.
so it is customizable.
Yeah. You can add thermal camera, you can add a normal camera, you can add IR sensors, whatever you need. Yeah.
So it will be, I think this project will be mostly useful for police or.
Yeah, police during search and rescue and all. Like during a natural disaster when there is floods or earthquakes, you can add a thermal camera to find people who are pressed under the mud and all like that. Welcome. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.